Hi everyone, welcome to the Tyler's Tools video channel. Jim here again to briefly explain today the differences between the ZOE machine and the PIKUS. I get asked many times what are the differences between these machines. It's quite simple really. It's all about the power of the motor and the size of the wheel that does the job. The build quality of the two machines is exactly the same. You've got the aluminium frame, aluminium plates on the top, die cast structure here. They look identical. Only difference with the two is the top rail. On the ZOE, because it's a bigger motor, needs a bigger rail. On the PIKUS, it's a lighter weight rail because of the smaller motor. The motor on the ZOE is 2.5 horsepower. The motor on the PIKUS is 1.5 horsepower. The ZOE machine will take a diamond blade up to 350 millimeters in diameter and has 120 mil depth of cut. That's with the 350 blade. You can also substitute that blade on here for the 300, which will quite easily accommodate cutting porcelain and things like blocks for driveways. On here at the moment you can see this is a general purpose blade. That would be used for cutting concrete and masonry type products. But if you want to cut porcelain, you need to go to the purpose-made porcelain blades. On the PIKUS, you've got a 250 mil blade. This has got a cutting depth of 80 mil, so we'll always cut your 20 mil porcelain and your tiles, but also will accommodate driveway blocks. This is a porcelain wheel on here at the moment, and to do your concrete and general building materials you need to use the Granito turbo blades, adequate for that type of material. So those are the subtle differences. They're both fantastic machines. You've seen the demonstration of the ZOE, and I'm going to go into the warehouse now and do you a quick demonstration of the PIKUS and how that one performs for you. Okay, so we're in the workshop now and I'm going to show you how the PIKUS performs. I've got on here a porcelain blade and I'm going to cut some 2cm porcelain. It is important you use the PPE, so I'm going to put the ear defenders in. This machine has got the capabilities of doing the plunge cuts, like so. It's also got the ability to do 45-degree cuts, as well as the normal straight cuts. You can fit the lasers onto these. I've shown that on an earlier video. So let's just do one cut for you. Okay, so you've got a good delivery of water. Drop the splash guard down a little bit. Show you the quality of the cut. And what I'm going to do now is I'm going to do 2 thicknesses of porcelain just to show you how powerful this little machine is, and I think they're a really great bit of kit, these. So it's all about take your time and let the blade do and the water do the work. So that just shows you how mighty the PIKUS is. To cut through 2 layers of 20mm porcelain in one go is an amazing feat. This machine, coupled with all the other bits of accessories like the side roller bench, this long set square, the laser, really is an amazing piece of kit for the guys out there in the landscaping industry. So if you need any more information, give us a call, and hopefully we can sell you one of these beauties one day. So I'll quickly show you how to do a plunge cut, which I mentioned before. The blade is in the upmost position. Turn it on, let the water flow freely. Let the blade do the work. And as you can see, the plunge has gone all the way through. This would be particularly handy if you were doing, you know, squares there, you've got to put a socket or something of that nature. The next one is the 45°. So you undo the knobs at the end. Bring the saw over onto the 45°.